Hi everybody, this video is all about how to collect your data. I have another video right above this in the assignment where I demonstrate that live. This is more of an explanation. So to begin with, I want to be working on paper. So I'm going to set up my ramp where I can make a mark for my starting line, and then I'll put down some lined paper so that wherever it is my car stops, I can just make a little mark. Then, when I go to use my ruler, I can line up the edge of my ruler with that mark. I can say, oh, that was 30 centimeters, and make another mark here, right at that 30 centimeter line. Then it's easy for me to line up the end of my ruler with that mark and say, okay, this was 30 centimeters from here to here. Now, this part is, well, if this is the 5 centimeter mark, it's 30 centimeters take away 5, so that's 25 centimeters, right? Because it would have been 30, but I lopped off the end there, so it's just 5 to get back to that start mark. So I would write in 30 plus 25, I would say 55 centimeters. Chances are your numbers won't be even, so you'll have to use the decimals in your ruler. The large lines in your ruler represent whole numbers, and each small line represents a tenth. So this would be 4 and 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 4 and 5/10, 4 and 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, all the way up to 5 whole centimeters. After you've collected all 3 trials, you may want to find out what the average is. You'll want that so that you can see overall how far the car went in the middle, and you can compare averages. To calculate an average, add up all 3 trials, then divide by 3. You're dividing by 3 because there were 3 trials. If you had taken 5 trials, you divide by 5. But in this case, it's the sum of the trials, trial 1 plus trial 2 plus trial 3, divided by 3. So I hope this is helpful. You saw how to use a ruler to measure the distance your car went, how to enter the data in your data table, and how to calculate an average. Make sure you come to office hours if you have questions, or send me a note. Bye-bye.